Once you find an article that will be useful for your assignment, you can use the reference list from that article to find additional resources. This is known as citation chaining. You can also use Google Scholar to search for additional resources that have cited the article you plan to use in your assignment. This is known as forward citation chaining. Let's look at how we do both of these. In your article, look for the section titled References. This will be a list of all of the resources the authors used to help support their research and their writing. It's usually found at the end of the article. Look through the list to see if any of the resources might be useful for your assignment. If you're looking at the list online, some of the resources may be linked and you can simply click on the link to view the article online. For example, we can click the PubMed link for the article titled Dissociative Disorders in DSM-5 and look at it online. It's important to note that the full versions of some of these linked resources may not be available to you right away. In those cases, or if you want to look at a resource that isn't linked, you can request access through the library using what's called interlibrary loan. Fill out our library materials request form, which can be accessed from the library website, and we'll work to bring the resource in for you. Make sure to include as much detail about the article as possible. For example, article title, author names, date published, and publication name, like the name of the journal the article comes from. In forward citation chaining, we use Google Scholar. In the search box, enter the title of the article in quotation marks and the name of the first author listed. The quotation marks tell Google Scholar to search for the words in the title exactly in the order they've been entered. Verify that the article details listed in the search result match your article. Then look for the Cited By link. In this case, our article has been cited by 2 other resources. Click the link to view a list of the articles that cite your resource. The full versions of these may not be available to read online. If not, fill out the library materials request form to ask library staff to bring it in for you from another library. These 2 techniques are great ways to help you find additional resources efficiently.